Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ayushi Chakraborty, and in today's video we're going to be doing this look which is for Eid. Very special look and it's very basic and normal. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So I've already washed my face and we're going to start with the skincare first. I am taking under eye serum of Good Vibes and then gently massaging it under my eyes. Then I'm taking Nivea moisturizer. It's your choice, whichever moisturizer suits you. आप वो ले सकते हो. I just wanted very thick base, so I'm taking this moisturizer and just warming it up between my hands and then applying it on my whole face. For primer, I'm taking NYX का Honey Dew Me Up primer, and it's just perfect for the dry skin. It's not gonna be filling your pores, but it's really nice hydrating and highlighting primer. And then just gently massaging it into my skin and just going to wait for 1 or 2 minutes तो ये अच्छे से स्किन में चला जाए, absorb हो जाए. Now we'll be moving towards the makeup. I'm gonna be color correcting my face a little bit under my eyes because that's the area which is very little a kind of dark shade comparative to my face. Then I'm taking Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade 02 and then kind of applying it all over my highlight areas where I wanted to do highlight and as well as like mark corrections मेरे pimples पे and some dark spots near my face, and blending it with the damp beauty blender, which is very important to make sure your beauty blender is damped properly and उसका water is अच्छे से पूरा soaked out. You have to be really very gentle near your eyes because it's very important आप gentle रहो. And then just blending it only in concentrated areas जहाँ पर मैंने उसको सिर्फ अप्लाई किया है, उसको ज़्यादा मैं blend अपने all over face में नहीं करूँगी. Then I am taking Maybelline Super Stay का foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Barely I have taken the foundation, like literally not even one pump properly. और उसको मैं सिर्फ उन एरियाज़ पे लगाऊंगी where I feel थोड़ा सा कवरेज का एक्स्ट्रा नीडेड है, क्योंकि मैंने कंसीलर इसलिए पहले लगा लिया था ताकि ऑलरेडी सारे जो डार्क स्पॉट्स हैं वो कवर हो जाए. एंड देन आई जस्ट नीड बेयरली फाउंडेशन इन माई स्किन. And then I'm just going to be blending it with the damp beauty blender and the butt of the blender, क्योंकि it's not gonna be making any harsh lines or not gonna be leaving any extra stripes or lines. Then I'm taking loose banana powder from Makeup Revolution and just setting all over my face, basically concentrating on my under eyes and near my mouth area because that's the area which is most problematic area of my face. I've already done with my brows because that just takes me eternity to fill in my brows. Then I'm taking this shade to fill in my eye shadow or crease shade because yeah, it's kind of pretty shade, and I'm applying it all over my lids and crease as well. Then I'm drawing a rough line of kajal on my eyelids so that I can smudge it properly, and also applying it on my upper waterline. It really creates like everything is just combined if you're going to be applying kajal on your upper waterlines. Then taking a smudger brush with really precise kind of shape and just blending my kajal on my eyes, so it's going to be giving a smoky eyeliner sort of situation going on. You have to be really precise while doing this step and really careful. And then taking a little blending brush and kind of blending it with the brown and the same shade that I've used previously, and just kind of smudging all that color into my lids. Take your time and complete this look. Taking the same pink shade and just blending it under my eyes so that it just combines the look, and then applying kajal on my water lines. And taking a smudger or pencil brush and black shade in it, and I'm just smudging the kajal with black shade, applying the lashes in just 1 second. Then I'm going to be applying blusher with combining this pink corally shade with the dark corally shade because that's what I want to apply, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheek area and a little bit on the contour area, chin, a little bit on nose, and yeah, that's it. I'm also be bronzing up my face a little bit, not really harsh, very light bronzing. Then taking Master Chrome highlighter to just highlight my face and applying it on tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, which is not even there but trying to and then on my cupid bows, cheekbones, which is again not there but kind of trying to, and brow bones, little bit on temples of my forehead, which is not that important but yeah, just to combine the look, and the most important, inner corners, do not forget that. Completing the look with the coral lipstick, and yeah, here's the final look for Eid. I really hope you all like this video, and if you do like this Eid makeup look, then do not forget to like, comment and share this with your friends and close ones, and you do not forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page क्योंकि वहाँ सारी updates चली जाती हैं, and yeah, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Wishing you all a very happy. Bye.